Hey y'all, welcome back to my humble homestead. So today I am going to pull a big myth buster here. The biggest question I've been getting is, how do you have time to do everything? Well, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to throw some meals together, to have them ready to just pull out of your freezer, throw them either in the morning, or if you work from home, midday, you can have healthy, home-cooked meals any day of the week, and time it and see how fast we get 2, 4, 6 meals put together. All right, so yes, you can do it too. It is so much easier, it's so much cheaper, it's so much healthier. So we're gonna do 3 different kinds of meals, but we are going to do 2 of them. So you will have 6 full meals done in your freezer to pull out anytime you need to. So the first one we're gonna do is super easy. It is Buffalo Ranch spicy chicken. You can do it in a wing. I had some leftover drummies in my freezer, so I'm using drummies. And then I just had some leftover thighs that I got. So now here's the thing. I got these organic thighs on sale at Aldi. So I bought 3 bags of them when they're on sale. Have some left in my freezer. Use them for these. They're perfect for these meal kits when I don't want to cook a whole chicken up. You know, and these are perfect. So when you find your chickens on sale or your meats on sale, stock up, put them in your freezer, and this is what we're going to use. I made my own ranch dressing. Super easy. I mean, I just use milk. You can use buttermilk, but I put lemon juice in there, sour cream, mayonnaise, garlic salt, pepper. I use my fresh herb blend that I have, that I just take fresh herbs from my garden, dehydrate them, blend them up. So yeah, lots of pepper. Pretty much that's it. You can find any kind of recipes you want on the web, or make it faster. You people that don't think you can do it, buy a bottle of ranch dressing at the grocery store. I mean, find some healthy stuff. There is healthy ranch dressing out there. So you have a thing of ranch dressing, bottle of hot sauce. I always get Frank's. I just think there's less stuff in it. So hot, or you can make your own. I'm waiting for my peppers to come in. You can make my own hot sauce. That's what I'm going to do too. But right now, I have a bottle of Frank's. I have a thing of ranch dressing. Ready, set, go. Okay. I put the chicken in a Ziploc bag. Chicken in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to dump half the bottle or jar of ranch dressing in one bag. Half in the other. I have more chicken in this one, so I'm going to do a little bit more in this one. Now, remember, you can do as much or little as you want. If you have a big family, do more. Do more chicken, do more dressing, and then, depending on how spicy you want it, you add some hot sauce. I don't do as much spicy as my kids would. My kids would probably put half the bottle in. Whoop, that one's going to that one's going to be a little spicy. So there you go. So that one, I will probably definitely eat some celery with it. Now this, yes, people, is a keto meal. Chicken, ranch, and hot sauce. And then you can pair it with a salad, some celery, and then I just squish it up, get the air out, number 1, and stop. Under 3 minutes. 2 meals done. Okay? Closing the bag, so let's go with 3 minutes, because by the time I close the bag, it will be 3 minutes. Let's move on to the next one. Now we are going to do a Mongolian beef for the slow cooker. So this one I just have it for, I was just going to tell you, for the chicken, you can do it in the slow cooker, the air fryer, on the grill, in the Instapot. And the reason why I'm not giving you times is because it will depend on the kind of chicken you use. If you want to use wings, just look at how long it takes to cook the wings, or the, you know, so go according to the time of the chicken. You want to make sure the chicken's all the way cooked through. If you want to pull it out in frozen and throw it in the slow cooker, it usually takes 6 to 8 hours, but just kind of a little tidbit. But if you want to have it like grilled or in the oven or air fryer, take it out the night before and let it thaw out and do it that way. Okay, on to the Mongolian beef. We're going to take 1.5 pounds of flank steak. Now, if you don't want to do flank steak, I just did, and we're going to slice it. You can use, I mean, if you want to use already chopped beef, you can. Make it as easy as you want. Oh, I forgot the cornstarch. And I actually bought some arrowroot powder I probably could use. So a 1/4 cup of cornstarch in each one, or arrowroot powder. Then we're going to use olive oil, minced garlic, soy sauce, water, brown sugar, grated carrot. I got these shredded carrots on sale at Aldi. They're organic. Throw these in, make it super easy. It says sliced green onion. I forgot the green onion, so I have some red onion I need to use up. Let's slice up the red onion, use that. And when I pull it out, if I remember to get green onion to just put a little bit on the top, I'll do that. But I use what I have. Ready, set, go. Okay, so we're going to do the 1.5 pounds plain sliced and put in there. Then we're going to do 1/4 cup of cornstarch in each one. This one might take a little bit because I have to measure it out a little bit better. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1. And I'm not rushing here. I'm not going to rush. I know I feel like I kind of rush sometimes when I'm working, but I'm going to slow my pace down so y'all know that on a regular day you can just cook and it's not going to take a lot of time. 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. I buy the pre-minced unless you grow your own. And a lot of times people like mince it up and then just keep it frozen, or I also have dehydrated garlic. So well, it says 1/2 teaspoon, but I'm doing 1/2 tablespoon because I like garlic. All right, so that, and then 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger. Now, I do grow my own ginger out of my deck, so I just take the ginger and I grate it up. Super simple, super fast. You can, if you don't have fresh, you can use powdered, or you can buy the minced ginger in the produce section in a little jar and keep it in your fridge. I used to do that before I used to grow my own. So I'm just doing 1/2 of this in each one. Always ways to make it quick, fast, easy, and simple. So yes, you can. All right, and then 3/4 cup of soy sauce. You can use aminos or soy sauce. So I'm going to dump 1/2 of this soy sauce in one bag because I already pre-measured this, and then I'm going to put 1/2 in the other one. And this is a slow cooker recipe, okay? So this one's, I just have, and then 3/4 cups of water. So I have 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to put 1/2 in each. Just like that. And these are going right in my Ziploc bags. And we're adding the water because they are going in the slow cooker and we need a little bit of that liquid, especially with the cornstarch in there. Okay, and then 3/4 cup of brown sugar. For this one, I'm only going to do 1/2 cup of the brown sugar. I think they're oversweet for me, and I don't like, I mean, I like sweet and savory, but I just don't like so much sweet in it. So I'm going to do less, but the recipe calls for 3/4 cup of brown sugar in each of them. So you do you. Okay. All right. So that goes in there. And, you know, for you people who are trying to keep a keto, go ahead and just put this, use a brown swerve. So this one, I think you could keep it pretty low carb or no carb too. So, oh, and the grated carrot. So the carrot, you can also, that has a little bit of carbs in it, but you could keep that out or not. So this is going to be 1/2 cup. So I'm just going to put, it says what, 1/2 cup, so I'm just going to put like a handful in each. That's kind of closer to a cup, honestly, but I always like more veggies in my food. Okay. All right, and then the 1/3 cup sliced green onion, but I am going to use the red onion that I had gotten at the farmer's market. That's what I have, so I'm doing 1/2 in each. And guess what? We are done. That took 5 minutes. 5 minutes for 2 more meals. I am going to close these up. Now for these, you are going to do it, if you do it on low, it's 4 to 5 hours. If you do it on high, it's 2 to 3 hours. And you would serve this over rice. So if you do want to keep a keto, which you can, or low carb, you just put it over your cauliflower rice, and there you have it. So you've got 2 nice, healthy, homemade meals in under 10 minutes. Actually, that makes 4. So those go in there. Now, the last one I'm going to do is called lemon smash chicken. This one I've been wanting to try. I got this off of the Acre Homes website. Becky does this. She said it's her mom's recipe. She does a lot of great cooking on there too. That's also a fun channel to watch. Shout out to Becky for this recipe. I'm going to try it and see how it goes. But this one is called lemon smash chicken. I'm making it into a dump freezer meal as well. She said it's amazing, so we're going to try it. All right, so this one calls for 4 boneless chicken breasts. I again got those chicken thighs, those organic ones, on sale, so that's what I'm going to use. 2 bags in there. Then, oh wait, we got to start a time. Okay, ready? Ready, set, go. Okay. All right. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So I got these on sale at Aldi. You can squeeze your own. You can buy your own. I just make it myself. So 1/4 cup in each. So 1/4 cup there. I thought I was going to have to open the new one, but I didn't. So there we go. There's the lemon juice. 1/4 cup of olive oil. All right. This is organic extra virgin oil I got at Costco. I got the big gallon one on Amazon too. So you can find them in your bulk stores. So when I find that on sale too, on a bulk, I will buy that up. Okay. 1/4 cup of Worcester sauce. Okay. So 1/4 cup of Worcester. Okay. And then salt and pepper. It's about a 1/2 teaspoon. And then 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. I'm using dry just to show you. I do have some in my garden. I might put just a little bit of my little blend here in there too. It says the zest from a lemon. Now I don't have the zest from a lemon, but I have my dehydrated lemons. So I think I'm just going to zest a little bit of the peel in there. I haven't decided if I'm going to. I actually might do it when I cook it and see if I have a fresh lemon or not. So that's what I'm going to decide. Okay, so the zest of a lemon and some red pepper flakes. So now the red pepper flakes, you just put it depends on how spicy you like it. I'm just going to do a few shakes in mine. But, you know, just depends. If you don't like it spicy, leave it out. Guess what? Done. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So 5, 10, under 15 minutes, we have 2, 4, 6 meals. So don't tell me that you can't take 15 minutes out of your day to just have 6 meals frozen in your freezer for those days that you really don't have time, because we all know that we really, time is a precious commodity. Just 15 minutes once a week. I mean, once a week, that's 12 meals. Oh my gosh, that's like half a month almost. So if you just take 15 minutes once a week, even twice a week, that would be a month's worth pretty much. So I just want to show you and help you all out that it is doable. You can do it. You can feed your family healthy. You can eat healthy. You can save money, and it is possible. So for this one, broil it. Preheat your broiler. So you broil this chicken. She said it's amazing. Broil 3 to 4 minutes on each side until done. All right. If you like watching videos like this, like and share. Keep watching. I'll have more. And have a blessed day. Bye.